Fuck being the best, just separate us from the rest. Seeing is believing. It's the year of the legend.
Hold on.
It's the campaign. It's the ink. I thought I was gonna rap. Hold on, let me pipe it up. It's the year of the legend. It's the ink. Hold on, man.
The fuck?
Year of the legend. It's the ink.
First of all, fuck bitches get money. And fuck any fuck boy fucking up your money. It's all about the Benjis. Posted up simply on my grind. Come between mine is 9 will empty. I had a couple niggas trick me. Watch who you trust and love, these fuckers trick you. These hoes ain't loyal and these niggas so iffy. Peanuts without the butter, call these flea niggas jiffy. They want the bread, but they loyal to the crumb shit. Give them game, school or hard knocks, but they loyal to the dumb shit. Tried to pull them off the bench, but they loyal to the bum shit. Lost a win-win situation, fuckin' with them dumb bricks. Like damn. How you gon' live? They took all you got. Now what you got to give? You did it for your team. At least do it for the kid. Now you do it for the gram. Goddamn, boy, you the big. It's all about the money. Should've been it from the start. Let them fleas drive you crazy, boy. Now you're in park. Is they with you or against you? Tell them niggas play they part. Got you climbing in your grave. Should be climbing up the chalk. There's some fuel for you fools looking like you need a spot. What a beautiful view till you land like Owen Hart. Y'all niggas better fall off or meet the sawed off. Cause we the missing piece of the puzzle, we here to crush you.
Every second on the clock, another dollar wasted. It's like they took a part of me, their life, I gotta take it. The one go to war with me because I dominate shit. I keep on having all these dreams, it's like I gotta make it. We all creeping, black hoodies, black masks. We all run down 2 seconds, ain't that fast? Huh? I keep on telling all these niggas that they ain't fucking with my niggas. All my niggas money getters, say one word and they come get you. Don't got feelings, I'm so bitter. You got guns, but my guns bigger. You can run, but they gon' hit ya. So go ahead and act a fool if you want to. All my niggas shootin' cause they want to. All y'all niggas shootin' cause y'all scared. Say my name and your rap end up dead. Money make the world go round. Put a mid out, watch a girl go down. Y'all niggas talking, we don't make no sounds. Fuck waiting for it, I'ma get it right now. Money make me happy, riding in that caddy. If she got a fatty, tell her come over to daddy. She suckin' like a taffy, niggas acting crabby. You gon' get hit like Drake off the grassy. Bell, watch your fucking mouth, boy. Before I pull up on your block and make it hot, boy. We gotta make that whole 50 in that stock, boy. No telling, we ain't talking to them cops, boy. I grind hard all day, no days off. Crack prices high, so I get the works off. All I spit is flames like I was drinking all this hot sauce. Headshots, we aiming and knock your top off. Only thing I know is go hard. Get in the booth and execute like I'm Bernard. All them bitches wanna ride with me cause I switch cars. Should've give me top, it's only right, I leave her brain scarred. Honestly, nobody fucking with me. Compare me to other rap niggas, they ain't touching me. Niggas always dick rhyme, trying to say what's up to me. You can catch me posted up any hood comfortably. We ain't rapping real shit, everything facts. Treat you like my younger, bring me everything back. Rappers say a lot of shit, but they don't really mean that. All they do is rap about work, they never seen that. Free my nigga Leaf, they try to make him sit. I stay away from rat niggas cause they make me sick. We ain't talking on the phones cause it might stick. I always switch the play up cause they might blitz.